Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you create a conference website without any cost and without any technical and programming knowledge. Now after the end of this video you will be able to create a event or conference like this. There will be event information like this and the schedule for the speaker. After that there will be event related information and you can sell ticket with the conference website. Alright, so let's get started. But before starting the tutorial, do you know which plugin we are going to use? If you know, comment below the plugin name so that I understand that our customers and viewers are really enjoying our video. Alright, let's get started with the plugin that I'm going to use for creating this conference website for free. First plugin, that is WP Event Solution or Eventin. You can get it by browsing wordpress.org. And the next plugin I use, that is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is basically for selling tickets. I hope you understand. Now if I talk about the theme, it's a free theme from the Elementor, that is Hello Elementor, and I did not use anything else for creating this conference website. In order to create a conference website like this, I will have to create some speaker and schedule. So in this tutorial I will show you how can you create a single schedule and single speaker and single event landing page. Exact same way you can create the other speaker profile and schedule and the event landing page. Right, so let's get back to the dashboard once again. From the Eventin I'll click on speaker. After that I'm going to add a new speaker. Now in order to create a speaker I have to submit some information. I'm going to use a dummy information from this website Calico. You can use your actual data when you will create conference website for yourself or for your client. Right, so let's get back to the site. Now I'm selecting this person for dummy. I'm copying the name. After that I'm pasting it here. I am pasting the other information. Here for the social profile I'm keeping the social profile as hash link, but when you will create your actual website, on that time don't use hash link, use a genuine link. Now I'm selecting the speaker category. After that the feature image. I already collected some feature image so that I can show you. Here is the features image. Let's upload the image. Now let's publish the speaker profile. So if you want to add new speaker, just click on this add new button, and if you want to see how your speaker is look like, click view post, and here this is the speaker profile, and here in right side there is no schedule since we did not add any schedule yet. I'll get back here after adding the schedule. Let's get back to the dashboard. Now if you want to update some information from the speaker profile, just click on this speaker one more time. Here is the speaker list that you already have. You can search from here, and if you want to update, click on edit. You can work with quick edit, and if you want to remove someone you can just click on trash. Now we already created two speaker here. Let's move to the schedule part. Here is the schedule. Let's add a new schedule. Alright, so it's very easy that we already created a schedule with the speaker, and if you want to add new schedule, just click on add new. If you want to see existing schedule, you can click on this schedules one more time, and here is the your schedule list. You can search all the schedule from here. Now our speaker list is ready and our schedule also ready. Let's see how we can create a event. But before that I would like to show you how this schedule comes here. Let's refresh this page and let's see how the schedule come here. So here is the schedule for this speaker. So if you add some more schedule against this speaker name, those schedule will be displayed here. Right, so let's get back to the dashboard again. After that, here is the event. Let's add a new event. So now we are expecting that our event is ready, event landing page is ready, and we are expecting there will be some information, the things I already described at the beginning of the video. Let's see how it's come. Alright, so this event landing page cover almost everything that I described at the starting of this video, but there is one important element missing from here, that is event ticket selling option. Right, how can we fix that? Alright, so let's get back to the dashboard again. After that, click on the settings option. Now from here you need to enable sell on WooCommerce, otherwise it will not display to the ticket landing page. Let's save it. Now let's refresh the event landing page one more time. Now here it comes, registration form, and you can sell tickets in this way. Now during this tutorial, did I use any kind of paid software or paid plugin, paid theme? No, I did not. Also, the way I displayed from here, from this plugin WP Eventing, it's totally non-technical and totally without any kind of coding knowledge, and you can build it without any kind of coding knowledge, right? So if you like this tutorial video, don't forget to comment below. If you have some problem creating a event landing page or conference website, don't forget to comment below so that we can assist you in more way. So we will come back to you soon with new video. Till then, have a safe time.